Kitty ride.
That's cool.
No! What are you doing? Not a single peep from your lookouts? Yeah, get him going! I need to hear some stuff! Send it around! Alright, now that we're all on track, let's do a little teamwork. So everyone, count to 3, alright, Yale? 1, 2, 3! Very nice. Give yourselves a round of applause. Now remember, we are depending on you, so stay vigilant. Are we on board?
Ben böyleyim, sen öylesin, tamam mı?
I said, are we on board?
Looks like it's Helen!
Turn signal. Get in the gate.
Gate açıldı.
Woo!
Oo.
Close the gate!
Bir kadın geldi.
Keep a lookout.
Helen,
Zig, come help me.
bring it in. So good to see you alive.
Karizmaya bak, hemen böyle şekil
Where have you been?
These two guys on this.
Aa, toprak getirdi.
It's pure dirt.
Bak yürü.
How did you come by?
Listen, I've been to dry land.
Hey, dry land is a myth.
It's not a myth, I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land. We have to hurry. Deacon and
Dry land
his
dediğini
sisters
biliyor
are
musun?
Smokers in the distance!
Battle stations.
Eyvah. Sana. Oba! Ne yapıyorsun kral?
Get that tower hard. Back the alarm.
Şey geliyor. Smokers geliyor. Kötü adamlar. What the fuck?
Get to the army and lock out the gate. They have a seaplane. Anyone have eyes on the seaplane?
No! Şu an gören vardır dedi.
Incoming from the south!
Get down.
Allah! Ateş ediyor lan. Kırıldı.
Breach in the wall.
Get to the cannon. Cover it.
Aa bunlar pislikler.
The gate.
Pislik bunlar.
Yes.
Ben su ateş ediyorum. Su tabancasıyla vurmaya çalışıyorlar. İçinde de aynen böyleydi. Ateş ediyor.
Got a gun.
Oha! Herif çakıldı oraya.
He's going for the gate.
Stop him.
Aa şey geliyor.
The gate. Oh no.
Oh no! Oha! Bir de vurdu lan. Biraz beni Atladın! Biraz gerçekten vurdu.
Stay down!
Çok iyi. Adam gitti. Sürüldüler. Vuramadı.
Oh, Kyle. Stay by.
Şakarsın. Kız da kafasını verecek.
I got the girl! Topside! Hey! Where do you think you're going?
Aa kızı aldı götürüyor. Adamı da vurdular oradan. Aa!
Signal the Deacon!
Sen gerçekten çok iyi. Ne oluyor lan? Beni istemedin Sarıoğlan. Patron geliyor. Patron geliyor. Böyle yap. Böyle yap. demişler.
Ah, they love me, huh?
Aa, golf oynayacak orada. Yapma. Yapma onu, yapma onu.
Send it.
Aa, elim güzel attı.
Hi, I'm Tiger Woods. Hey, who's got my golf ball? Where'd it go?
Bırak, pislik.
I lost my golf ball. No. It's all right. We actually need these people here, Magnus. Brothers and sisters.
İyi değil miydi? Bir şey soruyorum.
Hey! Deacon! We are not your brothers and sisters!
Orada.
Am I right?
Yes! Bu hariç, bu seviyor, bu beğendi onu.
There was no problem. You!
Behind you! Behind you! Arkanda kral.
Shut up. Now, where was I? Oh, yes, that's right. Desolate children. You poor lost souls on this big floating piece of sheet metal. The provider has spoken. Yes, he told me that someone here knows the way to dryland. Yes, my flogged dryland. We're gonna pave it and drive it, tax it and time it. Sweet Joe above. We're gonna use it, crucify it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon. I won't let you. And neither will the mariner.
The mariner. Chuck, shut the gate. Mariner. You mean that half man, half fish boyfriend of yours? The one who poked out my eye?
Yeah! Is that what you're talking about, huh?
Bring me the girl.
Adamı
Helen.
Aa, adamı faydası yapacaklar.
Smoke? So you want to play games, huh? Let's play. What you got up there, boys?
We got an 8-hour! And he's got dirt!
And he's got dirt. And I need to find dry land. So the game's called The First One Who Talks Lives.
You leave him alone. He doesn't know anything.
That just made you the winner.
Hey! Don't tell him anything.
And that guy, the loser. Drop him!
No.
Now you're gonna tell me where dry land is. What do you want next?
Jet ski approaching at high speed!
1 second, Helen. Shoot him!
He's gone!
What does that mean?
He's gone under the water!
Suyun altına girdi. Filmde var bu sahne. Suyun altına girdi. Çıkacak bir anda su.
Boys, get
Sudan
ready.
çıkacak bir anda. Suyun altında oldu. Sudan çıktı.
Helen, where you going? Did I say you could leave? You? No! You're dead! Ricky! The mariner's right there. I can see this and I have one eye. Vernon! Vernon! When I said take his head off, take his head off. Take his head off!
Atlıyor. Suyun üzerine atacak ama. Oo, çok güzel, çok eğlenceli.
We've got guns. He's got water. He's kicking our butts.
Eyvah. Adam geldi. Atabilir bize. Bırak yukarıda olay. Yukarıda.
Who trained that guy?
You did, boss!
Ha, şurada. Şuraya.
Jack, fix this.
Seni de göre.
Hey,
Ha.
the girl.
Aa, kız gidiyor. Amerikan güneşi.
Yes!
Amerikan Görüyor musun?
Are you all right?
Ne oluyor?
Alan! What you doing with the fish boy? He's not your kind. He doesn't have a kind. Let's fillet the flounder.
Çekebilir mi sence?
Oh, we've got a runner! Not the girl, you idiot. Find me a weapon that works.
Evet ya. Ters hareketleri var.
You're not gonna ruin my plans for Dryland, you freak. You mutated freak! Find me a weapon.
Tam oldu.
Thank you, Chuck. Hey, Mariner! Let's go! Just you and me! Come and get it!
Hey, you've got something on your face. You've got something on your Mariner, I think we got it.
Helen! Some on your back. Now, why is he still alive? I want him dead! When you're done, signal my seaplane. We'll blow this place to kingdom come. Yes. Shut up! I need something with a little more cake. Ask and shot or a save.
Abi şey
Hey,
çıkıyor. Nasıl
Marilyn!
kalkacak? Nasıl kalkacak? Nasıl kalkacak?
Say hello to Big Bertha. Oops. Hey, do us all a favor. Stand in one spot. Get in, Chuck! All right, I see.
Ses efektlerini de çok iyi veriyor.
You're using Chuck as a shield. Well, I never liked Chuck. Yes!
Bakıyorsun hiçbir şey. Sadece yukarı bakıyorsun.
Thank you. Helen, get up, come on, we've got to go. Hey, somebody signal my seaplane. Well, look at that. Think all my men are dead? So is your boyfriend. Now you see that ladder? Well, faster. Well, I've got a brand new vision. A pilgrimage for to the dry land. Just you and me. Savoring the sweet flavor of dry land. Show me the way. You come!
Aynen böyle bir sahne var.
Idiot! No! Shut up!
Kızlar evde neler tutuyor ya.
Helen, go back! Let's go, fish boy!
Fiş boy diyor. Ortada. Uçak geliyor.
Now let's decide the fate of the new world. Is it gonna be men?
Uçağa çarş.
Oh no, Helen.
Gelecek bir yerde.
You're not going anywhere. Now with the hole in your butt, you know. God, no! You made me hit that plane. Jack.
Bir dakika uçağı vurdular galiba. Kendini çekiyorsun.
It doesn't matter. I have my children. So who's gonna stop me now? You? have a leg to stand on. Yes! I, Deacon of Waterworld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dryland is my destiny.
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what? Yeah!
O adam yanıyor. Bir atla kral. Ooo su da alev aldı.
Get the gate!
And so the Deacon's threat has ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass.
Fire! Our national diving champion, Kyle Kolar. And the heroes of your show, from grandfather, Jolene Fisher. And from Taking It, Spencer Rockhand. And from Paradise, my name's Cammy Bruder. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Universal Studios. Hollywood.